So I was in Irv's, live last night, and he had Tank on there, and seeing guys like Tank and some of the other guys that are, it's refreshing for me because Tank seemed like a really smart guy, really adamant about what he's trying to do and where he's going and all that, and he realizes it ain't as easy as it looks, and he done got 70 customers in just a few years, and that's 70 customers, man. You can live on that. You can, and I'm sure that he'll be the first to tell you he's learned so much, probably, so much. But it's refreshing to see, guys that were working for the man, and then they stop working for the man, and they roll the freaking dice. You gotta love it, man. I love it, dude. And big shout out to Tank over there. That's just, that's the American dream, man. And as entrepreneurs, there's I don't know, it's just, there never was a plan B. It was like, this is what I'm gonna do, and we're gonna turn it all the way out best I can, and we're gonna learn how to do everything along the way. And I know that you guys know that I don't like to rent equipment, but there was a time that I did rent a lot of equipment. I have rented plenty of equipment when I didn't have equipment, and that's how come I know what equipment to buy. Because I've done jobs with rental equipment, and so I don't want guys to think that I'm 100% against renting. In the beginning, you have to. How else are you gonna do it, right? And you have to know that you have to recognize that is an expense that that you can do without, if at all possible, as you grow in your business. Ray, I thought you said you don't rent. I don't rent. But the reason I don't rent is because I spent years renting, and to do in between, we're just trying to stay busy, man. Just trying to make a dollar, and that creates a dog in you, man. Because you realize real quick when you're having to rent equipment and do the work and get the equipment and get the equipment back to the rental yard, and all the little things that go on in between that, and everybody's got their freaking hand out, and including the price of the work, because you have to take a little hit because you got to rent, and and it's like everything costs so much, even back then. And then don't let the rental equipment break down and all that, all the stuff that can happen, and does happen. Of course, I can sit back now, after being in the game 17 years, say, I don't rent equipment. I think it's bad business to rent equipment. I do. But you have to, right? I do think it's bad business. But with that being said, you have to. If you're gonna, at least for me, in the beginning, for me to stay busy, I was going to have to rent equipment and stuff to be able to do this other stuff. So I don't want guys to think that I look down on them because they're renting equipment. I did the same thing. I want guys to recognize what I recognized when I was renting the equipment, to be in the moment and never forget the moments that I rented the equipment and it broke down. I rented a chipper and it got stuck in the creek. I rented, all the things that used to happen when I'd re-rent equipment, and I'd have to freaking be on a timeline. Oh my God. I want the people that are doing this, that, you know, have to rent equipment right now, and that's okay, to recognize, oh my God, I can make so much more money if I didn't have to rent. I can make better time if I didn't have to rent. I could also, you know, for me, it motivated me to bank my money. Yeah, it motivated me to be super efficient with my time. Because in order for me to bank my money, I had to be super efficient with my time. It all goes back into each other. I know there's a lot of haters that don't like Ray, and that's okay. You know, I'm not missing a meal no matter whether people love me or hate me. It don't matter. Because I'm going to do what I do because I have to. This is what I do. Right? But a big shout out to Tank over there for coming on Herbs Live and being transparent, man. You know, I felt it, right? I didn't feel no fakeness or nothing. I felt the real deal. Going places. Gonna achieve a lot. Understanding that it ain't always just about what you make. It's about what you don't have to pay for, and it's about what you spend and how you spend and when you spend and what you spend it on and blah, blah, blah. So, y'all go check out his channel, and I'll put a thing up for it. And he ain't asked me to do nothing. I don't even know him. I've watched a couple of his videos. But yeah, let me pick up this money. She called me and said she'll be. All right, y'all.